Next heading is significance or importance of directing. What is the importance of directing? Directing play a vital role in the management. Directing function plays a vital role, very important role in the management. First importance is to initiate action. To initiate action. Directing helps to start the activities in the organization. डायरेक्टिंग फंक्शन से ही मैनेजमेंट में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में फंक्शनिंग स्टार्ट होती है. ठीक है, टुवर्ड्स द अचीवमेंट ऑफ प्री डिटरमाइंड गोल ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सेकेंड वन इज टू इंटीग्रेट एम्प्लॉयज एफर्ट. It being together employees working at different places through proper communication. ठीक है, हर डिपार्टमेंट में जितने भी वर्कर्स काम कर रहे हैं सब अपना अपना वर्क कर रहे हैं, उन सबको इंटीग्रेट करना, उन सबको एक साथ लाके फोकस करना टुवर्ड्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल, टू अचीविंग द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल्स. थर्ड वन इज मीन्स ऑफ मोटिवेशन. Directing is a means of motivation. Directing encourage employees to perform to the best ability. Under this, directing instruct the supervisors, superiors try to motivate the employees to perform to their best ability. Motivation is very important element of directing. Fourth one is it brings stability and balance in the organization. Stability and balance in the organization. How? It create balance between top and lower management. Top and lower level management. It tries to create balance in the organization because all the workers are working at a different level, at a different job. So organization must be stable and there should be a balance in the organization. And the last one is to facilitate change. Directing facilitate change. It does not resist the change. What the changes comes into the organization. It helps to implement changes by convincing the employees. टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट आ रहा है, मेथड्स में इनोवेशन हो रहे हैं, प्रोसीजर चेंज हो रहा है, उन सबको हमको उसके पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट को क्या करना है, अडॉप्ट करना है. दैट अडॉप्टेशन हेल्प्स इन डायरेक्टिंग. सो डायरेक्टिंग हेल्प्स टू adopt the changes or convincing the employees to adopt changes. Our next topic is elements of directing. There are 4 elements of directing: supervision, motivation, communication and leadership. The element of directings are supervision, motivation, communication and leadership. It is the component of directing. Our first component is supervision. Supervision means instructing, guiding, monitoring and observing the employees while they are performing job in the organization. Supervision means instructing, guiding, monitoring and observing the employees while they are performing the jobs. Second one is motivation. Simply motivation is defined as inspiring and inducing the employees to perform to their best capacity. Motivation is a psychological term which means inspiring the employees, inducing the employees, influencing the employees to give their best according to their capacity. Third one is communication. Communication means, or communication refers to communicating the messages. It can be defined as transfer of messages from one person to another person, transmission of messages, or exchange of ideas, views, messages, information, instruction between two or more persons by different means. Transmission of views, ideas, messages, information, instructions between two or more persons through different means of communication. जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन इशू हो रहे हैं, जो भी गाइडलाइंस आ रही हैं, जो भी मैसेजेस हैं, जो भी व्यूज़ हैं, जब वो एक दूसरे से ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं, एक दूसरे को कन्वे होते हैं, वो कन्वेंशन क्या कहलाता है? कम्युनिकेशन कहलाता है. And the last one is leadership. What is leadership? Leadership is defined as to lead or to influencing the behavior of people at work towards the achievement of specified goals. There is a difference between manager and leader. There is a difference between manager and leader. ठीक है? And leadership is a process of influencing the behavior of people at work towards the achievement of specified goals. In next class, we are going to learn our next topic. Please go through the notes with the textbook. Thank you and Jai Gurudev.